Welcome. Today we are looking at the Botslab Video Doorbell 2 Pro. This has a 180-degree field of view. You won't be missing any packages. Mode. Model number R811. Some information here. 5-megapixel camera. It comes with a 6,400 milliamp hour battery. You can also hardwire this as well to your existing doorbell. 32 GB local storage. That's this thing here. It's a chime and it has 32 GB built-in storage as well. It works with Alexa and Google. Some features here, radar and PIR detection. This works on the 2.4 and the 5 GHz network, 5.2 fast network connection, 1.2 T AI chip, HDR technology, human detection, package in view, alarm, IP66 weatherproof. Nice packaging. We get some paperwork here. These are mounting templates. There are two brackets included in this. One's a 15-degree angle one and one's a flat one. So you could use these to mount the bell. QR code there. Quick start guide. It's in different languages. We've got a SIM ejector tool there. That's to release the doorbell from the bracket. For power, I'll need this one because I'm in the UK. Type A to Type C charge cable. This is some wiring if you want to hardwire the doorbell. That way you don't need to rely on the battery. You could just hardwire it to your existing doorbell and you don't need to worry about battery. Some mounting hardware. That's the chime. That's a little LED sign there. Some branding on this side. Branding on this side. At the back we have the speaker. And this would go on here. Push it down and twist. We have a QR code at the bottom and some information. So this is a base station. It works as a chime and it has 32 GB built-in storage. You can also purchase cloud storage as well if you need it. Flat mounting bracket, 3M tape. 15-degree angle mounting bracket. It has a 3M tape, so you don't have to use the screws if you don't want to. You could just use the 3M tape and it's quite strong, this tape. Okay, so here we have the lens, PIR sensor, microphone that will light up, and that's the doorbell button of course. Nothing on this side. It does feel good premium quality this. Nothing at the top. On this side we have the Type C charging port. Speaker at the bottom and another little sensor there at the bottom. At the back we have a cutout there. That's where this part of the bracket would fit. If you are going to hardwire the doorbell, these two clips would fit on there. Power on off. Where my thumb is, we have some information there about the doorbell. We have the serial number and we have a QR code. The bracket fits in there. It's in place now. So to release it, you could see the little hole there. We'd push this in there. So you will need to download the Botslab app. You could download it from the App Store or Google Play. I already have it installed. So the first thing we need to do is we need to plug this into a power outlet.
Welcome to Botslab Video Doorbell.
So there's a green light on the base station.
Waiting to receive network configuration information.
Add. Scan. Allow. Get the code at the back. Let's use Bluetooth. There we go. I've plugged that in and I have heard the sound. Next. So it's saying to me I need to be close to the base station. I'm not that far. I'll just put my Wi-Fi details in off camera.
Wi-Fi information received.
And there we are.
Wi-Fi connected.
I could change the name if I want. Let's get started. Network quality. an update available. Let's update it. I'll go and mount the doorbell. We'll have a look at the app and then I will show you some footage as well. If you want to pick this up, I will link it in the description box below. And I hope you find this video useful. If you do, give it a like and please subscribe to watch more reviews. Let's have a quick look at the app. At the bottom here it says Home, Events. You could pick them by day as well, which is a good feature. AI Lab, Me. Let's go back to Home. So here you could go to Live, Cloud or Settings, but let's click in the middle. So it's loading up. You could see it's giving us the Wi-Fi strength and it's giving us the battery percentage as well, day and time. 180-degree coverage there. HD, if I click on this, you could change it to UHD. This does depend on your internet quality. If your Wi-Fi isn't as good, leave it on HD. If I tap on this again, so where it says view correction, so that's the first mode. This has 4 modes. This is VR mode. You will never miss a package again. Like sometimes when they come to leave a package, they just leave it right close to the door. You can't see it. This is a fantastic feature, this. You can see the package there. It covers everything. Okay, then we have the other mode. If I click it again. So if you've just seen something now and you press the record button, it will start recording. And if you are in VR mode, it will not record in VR mode. It will still record in this 180-degree field of view mode. So the other modes, that's for you to view within the app. You can't record in that mode. And the one next to where it says view correction, that will flip the screen around. So here we have live. This is a live image now. At the bottom where it says record, if I push this, stop. This gets saved to your phone album. Photo, that will get saved to your phone album as well. I don't know what's happened. As soon as I clicked on this telephone icon, that's to connect you to the other person. You could speak to them and they can speak to you. My app stopped recording audio because I was using my iPhone's screen recorder. However, you could still see the features here because it's got a writing next to it, so you know what's going on. These are quick toggle messages, so you could just push them and it will say the message in a voice. You could change the voice tone as well. This is the cloud recording. You could download this and it will get saved in your phone gallery. However, I did not sign up to the cloud storage. It is free. I think it's for 30 days or something. Local storage. It's got images on there as well and you can download them to your phone gallery as well. I'll just go through the app now and you could see what's what, and then I will show you some footage. My son rang the doorbell and again, unfortunately, I answered the doorbell, but there's no audio for that. You can only hear my son speaking. For some reason, maybe it's my iPhone app doesn't record audio, so there's no audio for that. But you'll hear the audio of my son. It's nice and crisp. It's loud.
Right. Hello? Hi, yeah, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
could hear my son's voice clearly. I was talking back to him, but because I was screen recording, it didn't pick my audio up. It does have nice clear audio and really good image quality, as you can see. I really like the VR mode. This is fantastic. You get full head to toe coverage. In terms of motion detection, this has to be one of the fastest cameras. It pushes notifications that are really quick. And I think that's because the camera is made by Botslab and the app is also by Botslab. So you don't get any third-party ads or anything. There was a little ad when I first signed in. I pressed X and the ad has gone. And since then, I have not seen any ads. It's got a nice clean app. The audio from it is really loud. You can turn it down, of course, if you want. I can highly recommend this doorbell. If you want to pick it up or know more about it, click the first link in the description box below. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please leave a like and please subscribe to watch more reviews. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.